Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're making something super fun, super colorful, and oh so squishy, a cute squishy paper camera. First, grab a plain A4 sheet. Draw the different parts of a camera, the body, lens, flash, buttons, and even the tiny viewfinder. Then, carefully cut out each shape. Don't rush, take your time to get it perfect. Next, let's color each part to make it pop. I'm using bright pink, purple, and blue, but you can use whatever colors you like. Once you're done coloring, it's time to add some shine. Here comes the fun part. Cover each piece with clear cello tape. This not only makes them shiny but also makes them stronger. Now, let's make it squishy. Take some plastic cotton and place it inside the camera body before sticking everything together. This will make your camera soft, fluffy, and so much fun to squeeze. Finally, assemble all the pieces. Stick them together like a puzzle, and there you have it, a super cute, squishy paper camera that's both fun to make and fun to play with. If you loved making this craft, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Kashish Tanwar Art. Bye for now.